Hello, this is Alfred Miller here, and I'm going to show you how to use the Format Painter tool in Microsoft Excel. The Format Painter tool is used to copy formatting, not the text or contents of the cell, from one location to another area. If you single-click the Format Painter, you can paint over one word or selection. If you double-click the Format Painter tool, you can paint as many times as desired until you turn it off. Notice the formatting in sort of the first table on this sheet. Starting with revenue through the total line, you'll notice there's green, there's underlines, etc., including dollar signs and all that kind of stuff. We want to copy that formatting to the other three tables. I'm going to walk you through this process now. I'm going to start by single-clicking and painting once just to show you that process, and I will graduate to double-clicking as we proceed. I'm now going to click in square A3, which has the source formatting I want to copy. Now I'm going to click the Format Painter command. Now I'm going to click the cell I want to copy the formatting to. In this case, I'm going to click cell A9. Now I want to copy the formatting on the months, so I'm going to click in cell B3. I'm now going to click Format Painter to copy the formatting. I want to copy this formatting to the months in the second table, so I'm going to drag from B9 to D9. I want to copy this new months formatting to the other two tables. To expedite the process, I'm going to now double-click the Format Painter. Now I'm going to drag over G3 to I3. Since I double-clicked Format Painter, I'm going to continue to paint. I'm going to highlight G9 to I9. I want to stop painting that type of formatting, so I'm going to click Format Painter. Now I want to copy the formatting of the numbers with the dollar signs in the cells except the totals. In this case, I'm going to click square B4. Double-click the Format Painter. Now I'm going to drag from cell B10 to D13. Now I'm going to drag from cell G4 to I6. Now I'm going to drag from cell G10 to I13. We're done copying that formatting, so I'm going to click Format Painter. I now want to copy the formatting from cell A3, so I'm going to click cell A3. Once again, I'm going to double-click the Format Painter. I'm going to click cell F3. Now I'm going to click cell F9. Once again, I'm done painting that formatting, so I'm going to click Format Painter to turn it off. The final formatting to be copied is in the total row, so I'm going to click square A7. Now I'm going to double-click Format Painter. Now I'm going to drag from cell B14 to D14. Now I'm going to drag from cell F7 to I7. Don't worry about the number signs for now. It means that there's too many numbers to fit in the column. We'll change that in a minute. I'm going to now drag from cell F14 to I14. Once again, I'm done copying the formatting, so I'm going to click Format Painter to turn it off. I need to fix the number symbol issue, which just simply means widening the column. In order to do so, I'm going to drag across the column headings G through I. I'm now going to point to the border between the highlighted columns, and I'm going to double-click to auto-fit the column width to the cell contents. To deselect, I'm just going to click away, and in this case, I'm going to click cell A1. Although this file's already been saved before, I've now applied a lot of formatting. Usually when I'm done doing all my formatting, I save my changes, so I'm going to click Save. Thank you for watching this demonstration on the Format Painter tool in Excel. A few tips as a reminder: before ever clicking the Format Painter tool, be sure you start in a cell that has the formatting you want to copy. If you single-click the Format Painter, you can click in one other cell or highlight one other range. If you double-click the Format Painter tool, you can click in many cells, highlight many ranges, but you gotta be sure to turn it off when you're done by clicking the Format Painter. I hope you find this tutorial useful and will be able to use the Format Painter tool on your own. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.